Hi, it's Mike Ritchie with the Ritchie Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about how a permanent injury affects your workers' comp case. If you've been injured in a workers' comp, a work-related accident, at some point in your treatment, your doctor will indicate you've reached what we call maximum medical improvement, or MMI. Okay, and that is what it says. It means that at that point, the doctor isn't expecting any physical improvement in terms of your ability to do things. That doesn't mean that your treatment is done. Doctors may continue to treat you for the purposes of pain relief and other things, but they're not expecting a significant change in your disability. If after you've reached MMI, or maximum medical improvement, you're still not 100%, then you may be entitled to what's called a disability rating, or a PPD rating, a permanent partial disability rating. And what that is if you have an injury to a rateable body part, and in that case, that's mostly we're talking about your limbs, then your doctor would send you off to what we call functional capacity exam. At that functional capacity exam, a physical therapist would run you through a series of testing, things like range of motion and strength and flexibility. And then at the end of that FCE, they provide a report to your doctor, and based on that report, the doctor would assign a percentage of disability to the body part, and then your attorney would take that percentage and apply the law, which would indicate that each body part is worth a certain amount of compensation, and they would take that percentage relative to that compensation, and that would be what your permanent disability rating would be. The other way that permanent disability may affect your workers' comp case is if you have a severe enough injury that it affects at least two limbs, you can be eligible for what's called permanent and total disability. And what that means is that because of your injury, your inability to work, you're unable to work in the regular economy, and therefore you're no longer going to be able to work, in which case you would be awarded permanent and total disability, which would provide you workers' compensation payments for the rest of your life. Here at the Ritchie Law Firm, we've handled permanent disability involved with workers in a multitude of ways, not just permanent disability ratings, but permanent total ratings, as well as permanent disability and restrictions. If you feel like you've been hurt in a workers' accident, please give us a call here at the Ritchie Law Firm, and we will do our best to make sure that if you are permanently disabled, that you receive all the compensation that is owed.